Okay, as I've said before, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So I put a pry bar in beside the intake. It's loose. It's a little heavy. So I got a chain bolted to 2 bolts. I'm hoping that they're strong enough to hold it. It shouldn't be that heavy. And then I've got my engine crane here. So let's give it a couple cranks. Oh, look at that. Looks like she's coming off no problem. A little bit extra antifreeze in there. Okay, I'm going to put the phone down so I can use both hands and get this thing out without breaking anything. And there you have it. I think I got it out without breaking anything too badly. Then move my fuel line out of the way, but all in all, we can get at our hydraulic lifters now and everything. So good. One more piece. Only got about 10 minutes in the shop tonight because I ended up working until about 10:30 at my day job. So that'll have to be enough for today.